Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mr. Paul Aninion. Today, I'm excited to start my series about 5 different technologies that we use in our everyday lives. In this series, I'll be explaining each technology one by one, what it is, why it's useful, and the advantages and disadvantages it gives us. This video is all about first technology on my list, so make sure to watch until the end to learn something new. So get ready, relax, and let's begin. Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to entertain you by sharing my 5 technologies at home that makes our daily life easier and more convenient. These are gadgets we often use and really helps us in many ways. First, let's start with my Type-C charger. So let's begin. Let's go! So the main purpose of this Type-C charger is used to charge device faster and transfer data quickly. It was made to replace the old USB chargers and make charger easier and more powerful. It's also designed to work with many kinds of devices, not just phones but also tablets, laptops, and even cameras. So now, let's talk about advantages of this Type-C charger. One big advantages of this Type-C charger is that it supports fast charging, so your phone can be full in less time. It's also reversible, which means you can plug it in on either side without locking. Other benefit in this is universal. One Type-C cable can work on many devices, helping reduce the needed for different chargers and cables. So let's talk about these advantages of this Type-C charger. However, there are also some disadvantages. Some older phones don't support Type-C chargers, so it's not always compatible. Type-C cables can also be a bit expensive compared to our regular cables. And if you use a cheap or peak charger, it can damage your device because Type-C handles high power. So that's all for our first technology, the Type-C charger. It's truly a small but powerful gadget that helps make our daily tech life more convenient. In our next part, we'll talk about our second technology, so make sure you stay tuned. See you tomorrow!
Bing bang bing, bing bing bang, bam bam bang, bing bang bing, bing bang bing, bam bam.
Hi everyone, welcome again to my vlog. Today, I talk about one of the oldest but useful tools in our daily life, the pen or ball pen. Even though it looks simple, pens have changed the way we write and communicate for hundreds of years. So now, the main purpose of a pen is to write, draw on a paper. It helps use record ideas, take notes, make art, and communicate with others easily. Pen is used to write like this. You can write your name, like this. My name. My name is Ryan Paul Anunyan. And second, you can draw. Like this. A ball. Or you can design or anything you want to use this pen. So that's all. Thank you. The pen are easy to use. They are small, portable, and can be used anywhere. They let us write quickly and clearly. There are also many types of pens, like ballpoint, gel, or fountain, depending on what we need. However, pens can run out of ink. Some pens can smudge or break. We need to handle them carefully to avoid mistakes or accidents. So that's it for the pen. Even a simple tool like this have made a big difference in our daily life. So that's all for today's vlog, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Next technology we'll tackle is all about power bank. Power bank is a portable, rechargeable battery used to charge electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, and cameras when away from a power outlet. It provides a mobile power source for convenience and particularly useful for travels, outdoors activities, or an emergency backup. They provide a consistent and accessible way to keep our devices charged. Ensures you can stay connected even when away from an electrical outlet. Power banks provide the advantages of portability, allowing you to charge devices anywhere without needing a wall outlet. They offer a convenient and reliable power source of travel, emergencies, or daily use. Can charge multiple devices at once and often support by fast charging speeds. What are the negative effects of power banks? Battery degradation. One of the most significant concerns when using power banks is their potential to degrade your device's battery over time, overheating, slow device charging, bulky and heavy designs, power banks degradation, compatibility issues, environmental concerns. So that's all for our power banks technology. Hey guys, our next hi everyone, welcome to my final vlog in 5 technology series. Today, we're talking about something small but super smart, the AirPods. This is the last gadget I'll be sharing, and I'm excited to show you how this little service makes a big difference in our daily lives. Let's talk about the purpose of these AirPods. Earpods are wireless earphones that lets us listen music, watch videos, or take calls without using wires. They connect through Bluetooth, giving us freedom to move around while still enjoying clear sound. So earphones have a lot of advantages. They are wireless, so no more toggled cables. They're lightweight and portable, make them easy to carry anywhere. The sound quality is very good, and some models even have noise cancellation which blocks background sounds. Plus, they connect quickly to devices, especially Apple gadgets. But earphones also have some disadvantages. They can be expensive, especially the newer models. They are small and easy to lose, and their battery life is limited. So, you need to charge them often. Also, they may not fit comfortably in everyone ears. So now, we reach the end of my 5 technology vlogs. I hope you enjoy learning about these amazing inventions, especially the earphones, which shows how even small technology can make our life easier and more fun. So thank you so much for watching all my vlogs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, see you next time and keep exploring technology. Bye bye. So now this the last technology we had at home, the blender. A blender machine is an electric kitchen tool used to mix, crush, and blend food or liquids together. It has sharp blades at the bottom that spin very fast when turned on. People use blender to make smoothies, shakes, soups, sauce, and even to crush ice. It helps make cooking faster and easier by turning solid ingredients into a smooth mixture. A blender machine has many advantages. It helps save time, effort in the kitchen because quickly mix and blends ingredients. It can also make healthy drinks like fruit shake and smoothies just a few seconds. A blender also helps create smooth sauce, soaps, and pures, making food preparation easier and more convenient. However, there are also some disadvantages. Blenders can be noisy with use, which might be annoying. They also need to be cleaned properly after use, especially around the blades, which can be a bit hard to reach. Some blenders can't handle very hard ingredients and might break if used carelessly. Despite these drawbacks, a blender is still a very useful kitchen appliance. So a charger is a tool that gives power to phone and other gadgets so they can work again. A ballpen is used for writing notes, signing papers, and drawing anything you want. A power bank is a small device that stores power and can charge your phone anywhere. AirPods are small, wireless earphones used for listening to music or videos without using wires. A blender is a kitchen tools that makes our food to make shake, juice, or sauce. All of this is item make everyday task easier.